You have been lied to. For decades, you were told these oils were heart healthy, better than butter, better than tallow, better than what your grandparents used. I mean, doctors said it, food companies said it, even the government said it. So you believed it. But here's what I had to find out on my own. That healthy oil in your pan, it may be one of the biggest reasons you can't lose weight and feel like garbage every single day. I'm going to show you what I found. 6 months into carnivore, I had lost a lot of weight. I thought I had everything figured out. Sometime in February, you know what, I'm driving to work, half listening to a Paul Saladino video, and I hear him say, seed oils are destroying your health. Wait, what did he just say? I get to work and I start digging because I need to verify this for myself. First thing I find, the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. Your body needs these two in a balance, 1-to-1 or 4-to-1. Seed oils absolutely blow that balance apart. Then I find something that stops me cold. Cottonseed oil was industrial waste from cotton farming, and someone figured out how to turn it into a food. I'm sitting at my desk just thinking, we are eating industrial waste. And here's what hit me. At that point, I was still cooking with seed oils like canola oil. By July, I had switched completely. Nothing but tallow and butter. And that's when everything changed for me. Here's a little history for you. Procter & Gamble had a problem. Too much cottonseed oil. So they chemically process it. They turn it into something that looks like beef tallow. They name it Crisco. Marketed as healthy, but this really wasn't about health. It was cheap, and cheap meant profits. Restaurants loved it. Food companies loved it. And then in the 1950s, a researcher named Ansel Keys blamed saturated fat, butter, tallow, lard. His data was later shown to be cherry-picked. He didn't get the results he pretended to get, but it didn't matter. Food companies were making billions, and your doctor was repeating what he was told. Nobody was looking out for you, and it's time you started looking out for yourself. Here's what these oils are actually doing inside of your body. First off, your body needs omega-3 and omega-6 in balance. When that balance is right, inflammation stays managed the way it's supposed to. When you eat seed oils, they flood your body with omega-6s, and your body shifts into chronic inflammation. You know, the kind that never turns off. For me, that means back pain, knee pain, joints that talk to me every single morning. I thought that was just part of getting older. It's not. The next problem, these oils are chemically unstable. Heat them and they oxidize. They produce toxic compounds called aldehydes. You are introducing chemically altered fat into your body every time you cook with them or eat food made with them. And your cells absorb it. That's why men over 40 can eat right and can't lose the belly fat. Then there's the insulin resistance. Seed oils make it worse. Your cells stop responding to insulin properly. So even when you're trying to eat clean, your body is fighting you. And here's where it gets worse. Most men hear seed oils and think, I'll just stop cooking with vegetable oil. Done. I thought that too. Not even close. Pick up any packaged food in your kitchen right now. Turn it around. Read the ingredients. Soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, generic vegetable oil. It's in your salad dressing, your sauces, the protein bars you think are healthy. And almost every restaurant, because it's cheap, some of the biggest offenders are foods marketed directly at men trying to get healthy. Low fat, high protein, clean ingredients. Turn it over, soybean oil. So here's what I found. Strict carnivore eliminates all of it automatically. When you're only eating beef, bacon, butter, eggs, and sea salt, there are no labels to read, no hidden ingredients. That's one of the reasons it works. After learning this, I switched to cooking only in tallow and occasionally butter, and I stopped eating out completely. I had been grabbing plain burgers from restaurants on job sites for lunch, and seemed harmless, but I couldn't control what they were cooking with. So for 30 days, I packed every single meal myself. If I didn't cook it, I didn't eat it. And I lost 28 pounds in 30 days. But here's what I remember more than the number on the scale: the sleep. It was deep. like my body was actually recovering in the way it was supposed to. I'd wake up ready, feel energized, like I had actually rested for the first time in years. And the inflammation was gone. I had no back pain, no knee pain. At 51 years old, I felt better than I did at 35. So what do you cook with instead? Simple. Tallow, bacon fat, lard, occasionally butter. That's it. That's what humans used before a chemical company figured out how to turn an industrial waste product into food and convince the world it was healthy. That's what took me from 348 pounds to where I am today. And that's exactly what I've put together in my free 30-day carnivore reset. What to eat, how to structure your days, what to expect, no counting calories, no complicated meal plans. The link's in the description below. Download it for free, grab a copy of it today. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay strong.